Welcome to my presentation, picture describing from the Daily Star. Today is 28 January 2025. Now I am going to read in details. Encroachers filling a flood flow zone of the Turak near Birolia Bridge on the outskirts of the capital. They even uprooted the guard pillars of Birolia Akran Road so that it is easier to dump dirt. Teachers of Shatantro Aptadai Madrasa primary level education institutions under the Madrasa board stays a seat in on the street in front of the Faculty of Fine Arts, Dhaka University yesterday demanding the nationalization of all such registered institutions. Police charged transitions on the demonstrating teachers in the Shahbag area on Sunday on their way to Chief Advisor's office to submit a memorandum in this regard. A worker hangs a wide array of colorful fabrics to dry bamboo frames. The field is located in Hajiganj of Naranganj, where 4,000 pieces of fabric are dried daily before going to a local garment factory for production. While the row of bright and colorful fabric can make for a beautiful scenic, the cost comes in the form of dyeing chemicals that are dumped into nearby water bodies. The photo was taken yesterday. Kyoko Arani Nasir Bhuyan and architect Nishat Afroz were honored for their outstanding contributions in the marketing, professionals, and architect interior landscaping categories at program at BTI Celebration Point on Sunday. The event was attended by BTS Managing Director F.R. Khan and MD Tajuddin Hassan, Chief Business Officer at the Daily Star. An illegal brick kiln operating right beside paddy field in Kurigram. Lancy Manking winnowing a small amount of rice at her front yard. The photo was taken from Gopalpur, Naluapara in Mymensing's Durgapur Upazila recently. A United Nations interim force in Lebanon convoy drives through the Lebanese army checkpoint in Burj al-Mulik as residents of the southern Lebanese village of Kafar Kila gather in an effort to return to their homes yesterday. Israel fired, killed one person and wounded 7 others in the south of Lebanon yesterday. Barcelona snapped their 4-match winless streak in La Liga with an emphatic 7-1 victory over Valencia on Sunday, with Fermin Lopez scoring an impressive double and adding 2 assists. Hansi Flick's side sit third in the standing with 42 points, 3 behind second place Atletico Madrid and 7 adrift of leaders Real Madrid. Tigers gain as Wendy's and 35-year wait in Pakistan. A man and women embrace as people walk along Gaza coastal Al-Rashid Street to cross the Netjarim corridor from southern Gaza Strip into north yesterday. Fortune Borishal batter David Milan plays one of the offside during his 37-ball 63 against Khulna Tigers, helping his side to a 5-wicket win in their Bangladesh Premier League fixture at Shere Bangla National Cricket Stadium yesterday. The win took the defending champion level on points with leaders Rangpur Riders, while Khulna remained in fifth position on the 7-team table.